Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying Windows version and the exact device ID. This tells you which driver matches. Do that now. Once done, create a system restore point and export current drivers so you can roll back if needed. Then, download the official OEM driver package and a driver installer utility. This prevents mismatched versions. Make sure to unblock downloaded files and run as administrator. This avoids permission issues and speeds up the next steps. You should uninstall the problematic driver first, using Device Manager and checking Delete Driver Software, so Windows won't reuse a bad package. Once removed, install the OEM driver using its installer, or choose Device Manager Update Driver Browse to the folder you downloaded. If the installer errors, reboot into safe mode and run it with administrator rights. Safe mode stops interfering services. This ensures the correct driver files are written without background conflicts, preventing corruption or mismatched version. After installation, you must verify success. Open Device Manager, confirm there are no error icons, and check the driver version to match the OEM release. Then test the hardware in real use. Run Windows Update to pick up supplemental fixes that complement the driver. If problems remain, use your restore point or the driver rollback option to return to the previous state and collect event viewer logs and setupapi. Dev logs. These help support
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.